Everyone, Sean here at Select Performance. Today I want to show you our 2017 A3 S-Line. Let's take a look. So it's a 2017 A3 S-Line 2-litre TDI. Got the gloss black grille, KSP front splitter, xenon headlights. It's got the freshly diamond cut rotor alloys, Maxton side skirts, gloss black mirror caps. See, the bodywork's absolutely stunning, nice and straight, no pin dents or damage. Rear privacy glass. See, the wheels have all just been redone. Maxton rear spoiler, gloss black rear diffuser, rear parking sensors, gloss black rear badges, absolutely stunning. And from this side, really good looking car. Moving on inside. S-Line sill covers, half Alcantara seats, flat bottom steering wheel, satellite navigation, flat bottom steering wheel, cruise control. Really nice looked after example, this one. Into the boot, quite a big boot on these for a little hatch. And into the driver's side. S-Line sill protectors, flat bottom steering wheel, all the steering wheel controls, sat nav, all the media controls, armrests. Stunning car. Thanks a lot for watching.